Ever wondered how artificial intelligence, particularly ChatGPT, can revolutionize the way we do business? Well, it's time to delve into this fascinating world and explore the potential applications of this advanced AI model. One of the most remarkable uses of ChatGPT is in content creation services. Imagine having a tool that can generate content for various purposes, from writing engaging articles to creating compelling marketing copy, or even generating creative pieces. The power of AI can transform content creation, making it more efficient and innovative. But the potential of ChatGPT extends beyond just content creation. For those with a knack for coding, ChatGPT can be integrated into your applications or projects to enhance user interactions. It's about creating a more engaging and interactive experience for users, and with ChatGPT, that's more attainable than ever. Then there's the exciting arena of consulting services. If you're someone with expertise in AI and natural language processing, you could offer consulting services to businesses interested in implementing AI solutions. It's about guiding businesses through the AI landscape and helping them harness the power of tools like ChatGPT. And let's not forget about educational content. With AI technologies becoming ever more prevalent, there's a growing demand for educational content or tutorials on these topics. Creating and monetizing such content through platforms like YouTube, blogs, or online courses could be another fantastic application of ChatGPT. Yet, while exploring these exciting opportunities, it's crucial to remember the importance of staying updated on the terms and conditions set by OpenAI. Ensuring compliance with their usage policies is a must. Moreover, ethical considerations and responsible AI use should always be at the forefront of our minds. So there you have it. From content creation services and application development to consulting services and educational content, the applications of ChatGPT in business are vast and varied. But remember, always check the most recent information from OpenAI or other relevant sources for the latest updates on using ChatGPT and similar models for commercial purposes. The future of AI in business is here, and it's truly exciting.